So you want to mirror your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra screen to your smart TV without using any third-party app? Here, we'll show you how to screencast to a smart TV without any hassle. First, make sure your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and your smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is important. Next, grab your phone and swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. From here, scroll through the quick options and look for the SmartView option. But if you can't find it here, just hit the pen icon. From the list, you will find the SmartView option. Add it to your control panel and hit Done. Now, tap on the SmartView option. Your phone will start searching for nearby devices. Next, you need to change a setting. Tap on the three-dot menu, then go to Settings and select Labs. From here, turn on both options. Allow all apps to be cast and Chromecast support. Now, go back. In a moment, your smart TV name should appear on the list. After that, simply tap on your smart TV name. A menu will pop up asking how you want to cast. If you want to mirror your entire phone screen, choose Cast Entire Screen. Then tap Cast Screen, and voila! Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra screen will instantly appear on your smart TV. Now, you can stream videos, browse apps, or even present content from your phone directly on the big screen. Lastly, when you're done mirroring, just tap on the SmartView icon again and select Disconnect. That's how you screen mirror your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to a smart TV using SmartView without any hassle. We hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching till the end.